What's up, YouTube? Do you hear that? Oh, this is a follow-up to the Midea inverter AC. Just wanted to kind of post an update on how quiet this thing is. Very quiet. I've got it set to, I mean, it's hot in the sunroom here. There's really no way to close this thing up and insulate it. So I've got it set to 84. It's probably, close to 90 in here. So I've got it set this way so that it goes into a lower power mode. And I just wanted to show you how quiet it is when it all ramps down. It's very quiet. Like I can hear all the noises outside well over this thing. This thing is just kind of a very, very slight, not even a hum, nothing unpleasant whatsoever. Let's see what the temperature is. 62. Let's see what the power draw is. Oh yeah, by the way, this is running off solar, 100% solar. 340 watts. I was looking at it earlier. It was actually doing under 300. It's a little hotter right now, though. Let's see if we turn it up. See if that goes down. Yeah, went down a little bit. And the inverter's nice and noisy. Let's go check and see what the heat exchange is on the outside here. $104. 89 going in. So it's, I guess the air temperature roughly is about 89, 90 degrees. $318, 19 watts. $66 degrees. Just quiet, man. Seriously quiet. The I think the loudest part on this unit. The loudest part on this unit is this condenser fan. The fan that is used to blow out and suck air in to do the heat exchange. And it's variable, so it'll crank up if it needs to, and right now you can tell it's really low. So this would be very indicative of this unit being in an insulated room, and you'd be able to have this turned down because you're in an insulated room and you could cool it down without your heat escaping like it does, or I'm sorry, your AC escaping like it does here in the sunroom. So whenever this is in its final destination, which is in the garage, lab / man cave, it's insulated, so it will, be able to cool down. So once it's all cooled down in there, this thing will essentially, be running this quiet and just sipping the power like it is right now. Once the temperature reaches, closer to the ambient temperature in the room, the compressor will completely shut off, and the only thing that'll be running is this fan here. And I think actually at some point this fan will shut off too, where where the whole system is just basically almost shut off. When the compressor goes off and only this fan is running, it's like 6 or 7 watts of power usage. So it's real low. Anyways, just want to do a follow-up on that. It's quiet. It's very energy efficient. I think it's a great unit. Anybody want to discuss? Comment down in the comment section. See you next time.